Aya.
Tuko poa? Tungerizi hiyo kitu at least tujione ka movement kiasi ama inaweza block.
Nini? Oh, screen. Oh, yeah. Wewe.
Aya, iko nini? Tuko sawa, tuko set.
We command.
So, you do this? Tiri. Tunafaa kuanza na kasonga gani? Piga song. Aya.
Ningesema rorime lakini
No, acha tuende.
ara na elo kidogo.
1, 2, 3, let's go. Rap kwa MIC nimekupatia ukiangaria la. Kwa hii rap naweza kuniwekea dish. Ndo nikuwe unenene Kenya yote mna wish. Hivyo sivyo mambo zilivyo, maisha ni kilio kizito la sihio. Unadhani tu ni
Sio.
unadhani tu ni kutoka mbio.
Okay. Najua tu chorus pekee.
Negado. Chorus pekee. Mpaka ile pati ya mama de mashusho na maguka mikono juu. Mame na mabe.
Hey.
Yeah.
It's because I need playback.
Playback. Yeah. Oh, by the way, si performance so lazima.
We go ati?
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
Yeah, man.
On our very first episode, Demo Deme.
First episode.
Man.
It's been a long time coming, man. Finally.
Doing this for real.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, haha ni tura celebrate realism,
Yes.
tura celebrate creativity, tura celebrate ourselves, to celebrate. Urua githogo ni uko tricky.
Man.
Yani kitu kidogo tu ni kama election
Ara.
Ara.
Frofrani.
Yeah. God damn it.
Yeah,
anyway. Gatho nyingi andu itu ni undu wa go tune in. Wira gwatiriri, there's no right time. Utire hindi maundu makaingira na 100%. Ure wetagirira maundu maingira na 100% ri utire hindi ageka uria endaga. Video twatinde tukiuga sijui tunahitaji kamera, sijui tunasema tunahitaji light, tunataka hatuwezi fanya juu hatuna ka backdrop ama hatuna place like a better couch. Then you're like let's just do whatever we can.
Yes.
Maundu mage moke makurite
Progress.
So that's our philosophy.
Yeah.
We'll start with what you've got. Maundu macio mage moke meyarite. So thank you very much. Ni majitaga wakafa wakairigo kana flow fulani wakafa ni moyathi na ndimo gaciko bare ya muifo. Na ndimo kanu ukoro ndi haha wira wakwa ni ama stage performer. Ndi muthaki wa mathako ma ngerekano na ndi muini wa gufoka wetagwo wekate kurapu wetagwo tenaiko kana kuwa hindi ya gikuyu kianjiriria kufoka mwiko ndoe kurapu hindi yo no nuguo
Sasa.
ndi mutemi wa demo na musani riu tutikire haha mwana uyu ngitwina ng'ania na ndegutwika ng'ania ena ritwa let's go.
Yes, koma ritwa ni Jonathan Thuo Matejwa. But people call me AJ. Kana video guru. Yeah, de muhuri wa bisa professional muno. De video director na editor also. Yes, maundu ma camera ni monyendete muno. Lakini dero joke mbere ya camera.
Yes. Juu unakuwa shy, ni uko shy muno wake.
Sana.
Juu ya kamera unadhani ukikuja mbele yake kutakam era.
Kitreka huko man.
Si ni ukweli rũĩ ciagia harĩa thutha-inĩ noguo maũndũ magũikara me fiti. No maikare fiti nginya na gũkũ.
No nĩ ndĩralearn through ku-embrace gũkorwo mbere ya camera.
Yeah. Utinda ũkĩra andũ no I want focus like energy. Na kumbe we ũngĩnengerwo kamera ĩyo.
Nĩ ũcio.
Ũhana coach wa mũbira. Ĩno me makochi mothe ma mũbira mangĩheo mechi gũtirĩ.
Mbere matithakaga.
Hakuna mtu anaweza. Kwĩragwo atĩrĩrĩ, he mũrugi wa ũcũrũ na he mũhoria na he mũihũri na mũnyui. Acio othe ti amwe.
Yu hakwa harokera. You need hau.
Wewe ndũkĩrĩ wa gũshoot. No ndũrĩ wa gũikara confident atĩ nĩ gũshoot kora shoot.
Joga hustle.
Ũcũrũ.
Mũrugi.
We sawa mũrugi. Na niĩ ndikĩrĩ mũihũri. Tondũ mũnyui nĩ consumer.
That's good. Yeah.
All right.
Karibuni kwa podcast.
Shukran sana. Hatuna script turathi tuthiete. Nĩgũthiĩ rĩu.
Mo like na mo subscribe man.
Like, subscribe, share, comment.
Yes.
Ongea na watu, waambie flow fulani na AJ kuna ujinga fulani unafanya online na labda inahitaji audience.
Alafu wewe kwa comments na muge kile murenda.
Yeah. Kana mundu ule mugenda ko hang out na
hao. Exactly.
Ona no muge tithiwe andu angi moke.
Yes.
Anyway, wiki yaku irahana atĩa mani?
Wiki yakwa. Eke go nyambie na kitu kimwe. Wiki yako yabagia Sunday kana Monday?
Yakwa. Okay, yajigia Monday.
Ona.
To niguo nyaje go focus. Oh yeah, let's do this once again. But apparently go na kwajia Sunday. No nyona macio bado no marogotani ma andu na yundu ciao.
Sunday ndirari Thayo Farm. Shout out to Kikuyu Love Session.
Kikuyu Love Session. Yes. Yeah man. Wagari na perform agi. Iliniuma sana siku kuja kuochu dem. But na ithuĩ mwena ũrĩa nĩguo tũrarĩ na gig.
Ũrarĩ na show.
Yeah, nĩguo tũrarĩ na the closing night ya
Wayaki wa Hinga.
Tũrarĩ ũhoro waku, tũtirarĩ ũhoro wakwa.
Okay. So, koguo ndĩrarĩ na fatigue ya weekend.
Of course. Uo ũranjĩra ũhoro wa Monday. Handũ wanjĩra ũrĩa
weekend. Monday rambia ĩyo.
Rũni wa wiki njerũ ĩranjia.
Ĩrambia kũnyita momentum Tuesday. Monday nĩ kũhurũka na ku-edit. Koguo ndingiuga kuna kĩndũ special gĩthiĩte na mbere wiki ĩno. Tiga ũndũ ũmwe ni na buradio nĩkĩtũranagia. Manjũrĩirwo Tuesday mani.
Ndarike nĩ ndakũrire thimũ ndaiga ũcio harĩa.
Wednesday.
Kwega. No wega.
Ngũgũra ngari man, Volkswagen GTI nĩ ndĩrenda.
Nĩrĩa thiaga yathiĩ underwater kiasi chu.
Sasa.
Ikauga error connecting. Replace hard disk.
Icio nĩ hybrid.
Man ko ũrenda ngari ya rĩrĩ.
Ndĩrenda ngari.
Wendo kwendo ici hybrid urenda ngari tika freighter urenda EFI ya gear shift in short urenda gakorora kamwe ka 96 ka
na kuona wewe. Okay
mrenga ni korora
gari ni gari
oya gari ti gari
bora igutware place imwe nginegi no mwaka ukorwo na your dream car.
Yeah, but ndame yaku nĩ ĩrĩkũ? Yo tari orogote emwe cihinge ikinya gĩkĩ inya.
We yasa inya nene jet Golf R. Yo ni jet.
Nitakorogwo ndaro.
Golf R.
Ni gode wa old school ko jigua he mbeca ũngĩspend ũgũre ngari gũwa.
Na need na patience ya gũthiĩ riko ati wika project car.
Yeah. Okay. No wega. Mũndũ no mena plus superstar tawe bonge la visual
exact
director.
Yes.
Ndũngĩthi na ngari ya kaburaita nĩ mahĩtia mũno.
Ati tebuhani
so get them go. Ĩno nĩ regire.
We tasuma guga.
No usi disrespect watu wa shift
I mad respect to them juu kuendesha manyu si mchezo. Juu una balance vitu tatu.
Yeah, man. It takes a real man to do that, man. Anyway, berenene no rĩndĩ nĩtũthire na mbere nĩ ngatho nyingĩ man nĩ ũndũ wa gwĩtĩkĩra gũtuĩka kaũndũ gaka, which reminds me ndĩrageria kuona in case you're wondering ũrĩa wiki yakwa ĩrahana tondũ ndietereire anjũrie rĩa kerĩ ndĩrarĩ no
wiki yaku
tigana reke ndĩmĩheane already, acha kuni prompt already nishaingia hiyo story. Yeah, niko kwa play fulani incredible sana with an amazing cast tagwo sure tagwo Wayaki Wahiga, the play courtesy of Donyo Jero. And yeah, we had a great time to enjoy ourselves. Are avenue njega muno ya learn about history. Koja itu ya Agikuyu. Uraigua gicagi uraheo rugano ukona gicagi kianyu tene gitari rami gitari ngina migunda itari miature. Migunda itari miature.
Wow.
Like it's just wilderness, man. That was incredible. Kwaja ugo urangenirie makiria ati hari andu manyitiriire history itu na ni marami ikorwo is so interesting. And now sisi tukitumika katika njia ya kuipatia na hiyo story now it becomes like super incredible, like levels on more levels of like kuwa incredible, kuwa interesting, kuwa all that great words zenye zina showcase enyewe. That is it. Anyway,
ndina story ya historia ya Musi.
The history ya Musi. Makinya maigana atia na thutha?
1970, 80 something. Ederia Ngugi wa Thiong'o aingũrire theater.
Okay. No alikuwa thoguo hindi igana atia?
Thoguo ari youth.
Ari youth man.
Yes, 28. Yeah, ari 28.
Ndaracemanĩtie na maituguo. Kana macemanĩtie?
Marĩ hamwe.
Aya. Kũu nĩ Ngugi wa Thiong'o kamwana ũrĩa akoragwo.
Tondũ Ngugi wa Thiong'o nĩ wa Kamĩrĩthũ. Baba nĩ wa Kamĩrĩthũ. Yes. Baba nĩendete mũno Useremara. Waka.
So alikuwa Msela Imara.
Nice one.
Yeah, ngoja alikuwa na like yeye alikuwa gashapa, alikuwa anashikanisha rada.
Rada safi, no pun intended.
Nice. Okay.
Iwe. Baba njirĩte story ĩno tene akĩnjĩra atĩ Ngugi wa Thiong'o nĩ okĩte akiuga tũthondeke theater nĩguo twĩke play ngahika ndenda.
Aya. Niyo time.
Hiyo picha tutaweka hapo. Nitakushow.
Nice.
Yes. Sasa yale amphitheater itai na roof. So it's open.
Again, start with what you've got.
Exactly. Tado at the time gutira na budget, government they give fund.
Actually yale against tumaodo tumwata tu.
Tado hiyo ni mo yale
na wale usukani.
Ale usukani.
Alikuwa na wasu.
Aya, hiyo Fafane yale among the people make a construction.
Nice.
Usadre Ngugi wa Thiong'o kenyitwo. Aikio committee mwaka mugima.
Ndio nĩguo andĩkaga Saitani Mũtharaba.
Cool.
You andĩkĩire mani tissue-inĩ ĩrĩa. Again, work with what you've got.
Exactly. Iwe sadly tutigiuga ati iri oho tondũ thaa ici nĩ polytechnic.
By the way nĩ njĩra ya gũcera kũu ndĩũragia atĩrĩrĩ. Haha. Ingekuwa like
kama museum.
Like nona taru ũrĩa andũ makĩtaga kanitha keho manjĩtie ka mabebe rĩrĩa makire ya ihiga karĩa magatiga ho gagatuĩka tarĩ riko then gakinya handũ ĩgatiganwo nayo makamĩiga tarĩ ka museum fulani magacuria wall-inĩ tau Catholic maticuragia mbica cia njĩra ya Mũtharaba nĩ njũĩ we ndũĩ no nĩguo mekaga ujĩnjai enda katho nimekugo macuragia mbica cia njĩra ya Mũtharaba rĩu acio rĩu ndakororo magacuria mbica cia like ũrĩa manjirie hĩndĩ ya tene like mutungatiri wao wa mbere okwathia oka na gaikia ni mwanga huritwo na kobico uguo nginonage like guka guo kihi hau uguo no wanyitagira muithikiri like miakeo so I thought kau niko kaundu karia tungiona kundu ta Kamerethu but nilikuta sasa ni all built
man. It's sad.
Well, there's always ego tutuika iria kwari kwega kuhanda muti ni 20 years ago. The second best ni umuthi. So I think thaicire generation ino itu ni agona ku make like a sport for that. But I think ni hari handu ta hau ndanaigua.
Go.
Is area icio. Emunda confirmed ati fata wa Gorode ya na story matuhu but hari handu I think.
Okay.
Niona picha fulani juu nakumbuka kitambo ni research after ile song Gurwavio. Research kole to geshutira video ni. I think ndona ita kundu ta kou. It came as one of the resorts but sikumbuki exactly ni wapi but I'll confirm that.
So all right.
But growth ni growth.
Growth.
Ikana ado ni mwa kule ni na tutwasamanile. Jisa ina kwa flow, hakuna flow fulani bila AJ, hakuna AJ bila flow fulani but
uti mudo ya motivation ita aduman gonete wina
ai bale ni kwa mse wa senke
unapiga kick.
Unadhani tu ni kick na snare? Napiga kick na kick na kick naenda kuwa stair.
Korora ikakam ukanifanya tufanya first short film kitu sijaifanya
man unugudeda tutariria ndo man tutikarite tu oro uguo
ogetuma tuthie ngina Naivasha man ndo nata winafagi man ati remove ngina Naivasha how
well
kegure man ndo ni to ukinya mwiso garari jambe mwiso few
aja yani this whole time ukuna ni believe
I want that I only prove wrong.
What? No,
cause dear don't
pia kumigo uguo duonaga ta you make it.
No.
That's so wrong. Na dojere ugejete ate hey bro acha kufanya shit wewe wajiraga twende kumbe deep inside unamenya au msezi enda mahali so wakati nilimake it leo ni nigifao kia neha
Naivas asa
aikuwa Naivas. Welcome to Naivasha hari
I love Naivasha
nigugira
mani
umsenya make it manage
again ndukalimit kiria maiciria maku no thie kuria urenda guthie tondu kio ni kindu kimwe ndiroire kuma kwi my brother here ati ndukelimit
emahitia mono kwi
so you can achieve whatever your mind sets.
So sina exact time but it was in the very height ya COVID.
That was
2020
March, April, May hapo hivyo.
Nidakorwo nilikuwa nimekuita muziki.
Okay.
Alafu COVID ya hit. Then nikameka comeback kiasi. Actually early show yo darigero no go explain. I was like a guest artist. Nikaona ndimetumeleta platform ya gutariria mafans mako juu nilienda tu nikanyamaza udari mataririe where I've been and why I've decided what I have.
Yeah.
Arafu it's so overwhelming. Gina I took a bow instead of explaining why I'll still remain away. I took a bow that and MC Ogida, ladies and gentlemen, Flo Flani is officially back. And I was like, whoa. Haiko hivyo. So niko backstage najiuliza, maybe it's a sign. How am I supposed to like kuthondeka tumaundu twakwa twagire jokererie but now under my own terms tondu ni frustrations mbili tatu maundu mangi personal so watu kania professional na personal cia kana wakarehe ka Discord riu ngigeria kujia arrange COVID so everything's crashed twajia fresh how no ndajirie gweciria by the ona ndiwe kwaria ikuyu ndingeta kurap na ikuyu so
Buddha 6 years ago.
Then after that nikafanya
Gorap na iko.
Gorap na iko, dikorap na githungu.
Kego story riu.
Ndirikanaga Yoda, shout out to Yoda, god damn it.
Yes.
Yoda no wathondekire rwimbo ru agirire no atuteithirie kuigirira vocals ari instrument yo ya most ya Shook Ones
Mob Deep
by Mob Deep.
Mob Area Deep.
R.I.P. Prodigy.
Rest in peace man.
Kijira atiriri hii video nataka tu shoot sijui nini atondo digioka ri muru to shoot re.
Man korali it was a very bad time tando ati ndungihatoka rironi ndungithi Nairobi you know ikania ori muru
Koguo
uri maneuver.
First of all inyu ni nyu mwari na thina guka nini nitangiarugire
tando ithe twathire Ngesa
twarugire tugishoot Ngugi wa Thiong'o no
oi
kiria itagothe tugishoot Gorap na Gikuyu ri inyu ni nyu mwarugire mwatumirire pass ya Kamande
Mr.
Mlango Farm.
Yes.
Shout out. Shout out. R.I.P. Rest in power.
Yes, rest
Virgin.
Internal power.
So the very first day I was like, hey, Jordan kina nani umeniletea man?
Warasta. Aru.
Mrasta ni mmoja, mwingine alikuwa na kiparakaya flow fulani.
Aru. Mr. Producer.
But kitu mi nilikulike immediately. Juu you had crazy ideas.
They are all over the place.
Au kuwa unajilimit
hapana
kuzisema hatujuani but you are just free. Hata kama ilikuwa inakaa weird aje bado ilikuwa ina work. So I'm like mzee nataka kumjua. Mzee ni creative sana. Na mimi utaka sana niji deiga hali ma creative.
Bana ma creatives.
Especially ile part ya kukata lines, ya kukata light.
Au
Nika tunaweza yeka hapa hiyo na
of course.
That was dope. Na ni ndira dire kitu kimwe. Bro,
dire ndaigo mundu arap na Gikuyu.
Yego first yako time.
From first to last. Ni jigute hip hop muno kuma demo nini. Ni gukoretwo na Gikuyu na Sheng in the same song. Tigo. No dire ndaigo mundu ara rap from beginning to end and a wordplay. Nyedete wordplay muno. Ena rhyme scheme.
Okay.
Una flow vizuri.
As the name suggests.
Exactly. Na ndregwa kile urauga.
Man.
Legal. Mundu ndidamu hivi.
Ilikuuma katuraga ko.
Kegoma.
Kumbe ndo naanza.
Kegoma kia.
Ni makia.
Ndaigure rwimbo ruu hindi iyo.
Ndomenya nikioroka gushoot. No wonder ideas zilikuwa zinakurarukia hiyo time.
Ndogire he. Ni Mob Deep. Shit. Wewe. Like jigo ya Arab. But the first verse. Oh yeah.
That's it.
This is the shit. Ideas kiabia guka gikwira nawe no flow. Ukija tu ikioguo. Na video katoka the next day.
Man, that was the fastest project.
Cause I was so hungry na nilikuwa hapana. I have to edit this video tonight.
Man, actually
that's how much I love
sana
hip hop.
Na ni ndida kwira Ngugi wa ni gede karo boli ni deshegi horo wa visuals muno. So, the only reason why Ngugi wa Thiong'o yatuikire certified hakiri-ini yakwa ati nima niko wakri ni tondu I had so much faith in the very fact that ideas dina ciori cia video no cia visuals dina cio ni undu wa lyrics cire ni go see actualize on dia quality kana not to shoot video game but I knew for a fact that I not to kuruta iroge then tukajipata rooftop
na rooftop ina maudo.
Man, that was dope. Then actually,
wow.
But the rooftop gutiega no kumenya kana kuri na andu me dudu hado.
yeah no guthe turathi iko nini
do you think mngelipata wase wawili mkitembea kwa barabara? Okay, I think Erin metikagire atatu nio gungetwikire already nyini crowd mo kwa na marwa mashifu
tugire thini we
yeah
but we are risk takers na we didn't give a fuck ko turare let's go all in na video kiuma wega na reception ya video yo till today it's my favorite gina fafa mwenye akajira
hano ajire kuheruga no gwathio
ni na kujira ni mweka wega mane ko represent musi kamere thugo gwathio ngo ni kumuhe flowers na kigia views yo kuma hau tugithio
ana tukiendaga eko so interesting ka happened hiyo time to record. I think ata Yoda anaweza attest to this mundu wokire. I think diari kari to atoko ne kuona arakari ati damo painting that picture no ne boire muno. I think awa kagina one of the media companies aiwa rwebore na damo tariria itondo alipenda urarap na gikuyu ngeje kumwira ideas tondu cienyi wao ugo ta githuku kimutariria ino me ajiririe ati ai urainira mundu rwimbo uratugiria mundu
bro
kirigo ndire kale kugo njukire kale and but once you get inspired
exactly
once you are inspired when avire you need to inspire the next person
exactly
and that's the very reason ya corona space not to nayo because over time it all to carry maudo deep maudo philosophical and reason why to kimaigirira hahari ne tondu we've been inspired tukarehe ciugo cia to inspire tugasi break down angles iriko citumite to feel the same that type of way tugicimemerekia hahari mundu ungigakorwo agiciamukira sikamu inspire so for me guthoma gogiwathio ngo na guthikiriria akiaria articulation yake na love yake ya language the struggle behind the becoming of the man I felt like I need to pay homage because that's the very root that I'm napitia
good
because I need to inspire I've been inspired
nice
so dida kura kodo no nika boire but at the same time gitumira etango cia gwakia mwaki ati okirerembe gite kuhwa
na ni wega tondu moral ni gia kwire ugu na andu ni mendete kuraga mundu moral unique
well kwirwa atiriri in philosophy we judge things as we are not as they are nikwira mundu atiriri tugithi agituhe mucere ukaiguga ni ndire ya mucere no akoria
who gives a fuck
waigua ta ndiratata ni ndako no story tu nguongagirira details cio ria kurari turathi turihurira mucere wajia kunjira mucere ni irio cia ndutura ko gurukaga
tirari sabasi
nice wira waku no ko like super interesting
thank you
no nyende muno sije kuuliza hivi sijika ndetagirira tukoro hariga platform ta kabati ningetaka kujua
yes
why go the video the making of the videos way why become a video director music video director
the filmmaker
ndami ya filmmaking ni dragaragia
ndo ni ma confuse ati filmmaker answer
you're not a filmmaker
kindo kimwe
okay
ninyirete nyimbo muno na dina brothers ere Timothy first born second born Peter na ni third born akwinogi iwe ndi munini instead ya ni ngoro na ciana ici ingi twifara tugithaka banu kwenyera ngaidi uthaka mubira ndirari mucingi ona TV imagine
ma edio ne the beat
jioni
the beat
kuna mathaa trona MTV base
MTV edio itaneka ati okay
yo ni direto giona music videos demoni iwe Peter my second brother second born brother edete mono hip hop them days you how ne odrabire kuona akina uko fulani akina Juliani Nakumbuka the first video niliona ya Kanye West vizuri sana. Jesus Walks. Niko video nikasema, guy, this is dope. Na sasa niko mtoto. Imagine.
Yo, cheki. Kanye West akiruta Jesus Walks kwa
That was 2005.
Kawali na miaka hiyo.
Nakumbuka vizuri sana. I was 6.
What the hell?
Niliona video ingine daisi. Because of Hype Williams.
Hype Williams alinibamba nudo wera wake na Busta Rhymes
Na Missy Elliott. Hawa wawili. Na pia Kanye West.
Kanye West ni baadaye but Missy na
lakini Busta Rhymes
na Busta Rhymes
wamefanya kazi.
Idigwaga Fisher aga
Dede kwa Fisher.
They are the first people to do Fisher.
Hype tadware ketokure. Fisher ni wide.
Yeah.
Fisher lens ni ugashoot wide. No washoot wide mundu ni hawana afane uthio tado ni distorted.
Kore hegikiria.
Ukarehe
ikahana mimi.
Akuwe. Kama mimi. This is the 90s. Kwa matire mona kindu ta kiu.
Yeah.
Igakorwo creative. Icio visuals igakorwo mutu-ini wakwa ngauga ai niki video ni wana wega uguo, like it's different,
it's crazy, it is interesting.
Haya, fast forward when I'm now mature na nimegrow, bado nimestick kwa Income Ogopa DJs na kina Khalif. Akina Charles Lucia wana shoot video in a very funny way. Like what the fuck is this? Man Charles Lucia anashuta video sia jua kali gatheka garigoni kiniki.
Ona na nikio I think as a creative ukira wira mo creative ogere. Inaondoaga hiyo element like todo unaanza kudecipher venye alifanya. Ruona modo ate agwa balcony ngona rukona.
But kila clip kwa. But how?
The best thing ni kwamba they gave us those moments. Like ku inspire still.
Na zika inspire. Yo tukigira era ya internet.
Yeah.
Mami yake gura thimu inayegira internet. The class it. Giambia weka studying how to shoot a video. Yes.
We studied it.
Ndari Google how to be a director. Giambia korora the best directors in the world. Hype Williams na Bemo. You directed music video research. Giambia ukoro na curiosity. Ifuku-ini wadeka how director yaku tigo. Ayubu akafa uguo. You need to andika director Jonathan Tu Matenjo.
Director.
So giplant seed tene. Declare it. Regira form 1 gesema ina mwalimu ena camera. Giambia kuhura bisa sukuru. You practice you those visual styles. Tukinyitana na kurufu maeka dance group. You nani no kogo crazy na ma angles. Na day on top of the world.
Adoma join agiado ako dance ma dance. Ora ma join kuma capture.
Kuma capture.
Interesting.
Ni daino kamusi instead of weka homework. Gira mam tanagira 60 bob nesi yake dakinya rimu. 60 bob gali cyber. Umenya 60 bob at the time ni 1 hour. Ko wena 1 hour ya ku research kile ureda. Man ga research mauduma camera ga research ma behind the scenes. You get your corona knowledge kuma de form 1 gina de form 4. You do ma form 4 get full blown. Niko sarania na my fellow creatives. Niko saria mentor. Nimekapitia, hakuna mtu alinisaidia.
Hakuna mtu. Kila mtu anakuangalia na shido
na kiburi huko nje.
Bobby Leki school kijana.
And na message yo direct to Facebook ni direct omwe. Ukimaliza form 4 nitafuta.
Na ndio kumweza.
Lakini sikupata kengo nataka. Hiyo ni kutomo goro modo behind the scenes.
And still interesting because you have to be somewhere. You have to be nogina waji hardware.
You need to go the state to be a director. Giambia kolano kahora. Asiari yako matia hotire kodora university tado university cia production is very expensive. Kama ADMI, Africa Digital Media Institute, very expensive. Kiona the best way oriago kani hodhia kiria dinakio. Use what you have. brother yangu akona laptop Limuru kuna handå hena wifi ya free haya ngathie nga download ma tutorial ma behind the scenes ngaciikira laptop-ini utuko mugima no wifundithia kuona uria Hype Williams arashuta video hĩndĩ cio ngona J Blessing uria arashuta video ma behind the scenes you ndĩrarĩ nacio folder-inĩ cia tutorials ngefundithia na msanii ngahoya mũndũ kamera ngathi gwĩka kĩrĩa ndĩronire ngona okay 1 video 2 video 3 video 50 videos later umeiva 50 iyo nogo hanga yakwa ya video ya biri tondũ niĩ nyendete nyĩmbo mũno
wendete nyĩmbo wathiaga harĩa igoti-inĩ Limuru
yes ICT hub au igoti-inĩ tondũ wifi ĩrarĩ free na at the time by the tumete kuraihu imagine at the time thaisi none kitu kwa hapa sai manze na TikTok hĩndĩ icio mani no mwaka ũcaria wifi
and I think
that was 2017 2018
YouTube didn't as much
tondũ gutirarĩ na creatives aingĩ maraikĩra ma behind the scenes ikorarĩ na katha
na hau niho uigua ngĩra andũ I think you need to give behind the scenes to your product. Ogo nae, by the way, yo haro tu nayo muno nae. You got inspired, hakuna kitu unafanyia ira ya nyuma yako.
Maneno thimu mani. Hizi mu ni trash.
Unafaa kufikiria hiyo kitu.
But si atinisha ni I've already done kwa sababu nimekam ku notice no mwaka wona nie wira waku.
Yeah.
Wona nie process. Tado ado nimeenda kuona process hiyo.
Pekee ndo ma understand like lens what angles inspires lighting
tado kidu kimwe ando matoe ni lighting uone bisa njega no mwako kona lighting
tado ni okuririkana tukiwakira the film Morefeti naambiaga watu atukuwa itumia artificial lighting yothe yari natural lighting uria twetagirira iturehetuke na tuthii na mbere na shot
man
to capture the perfect shot na think unika undu kari andu magono kwa makimenya nigetha riri again mundu hote ku begin with what you got
ndabiri na thimu ya baba Samsung ngura bisa ngoya thimu ngora ngoka na Limuru ngahura street takupe hizo picha weke tadu ndekeraga Facebook andu makalike Gero ewe ni mnoma this your deal Samsung amzai gevye kwe pocket camera ya kuhoya mundu kithio kuhoya aratamena camera akina Vince sasa yu ugakorana na mundu ena camera njega muka build trust hakunengera
nice
haya what's next ni ndreda gukora music video director no juu ya raina kwa sako yako gutiri kidogo gisema na musani umwe areka hip hop gika my first official music video ya gospel
nice ni tona hau no guka goda ukuria like the first artist ulifanyia professionally
dare group ini ya WhatsApp fresh from high school dare kia nona uria muthondeka WhatsApp group ugekora tu nwekira group ini giona msani ekira rwimbo link ati please listen like subscribe Duffy Jacks Blessings you got ekede let me listen to it hip hop hardcore gospel you got ndio hii
mara hiyo
jamaa ameinspire hiyo na ekodida koko ya rap take gostama you got blessings in a flow you got tuende nayo ni aje bro poa sana nimesikia ngoma yako nimeipenda shukran mimi nadai kuingia kwa video si nipatie ni to shoot uko na idea ngemutemera my ideas tado nigoleto kama research hii ngoma na inaenda na hivi akiwa nimeipenda tunaanza pool usijali nitakufanyia video for free haina noma kwa wapi Limuru akatoka from Tao akakam Limuru nakumbuka it was July 2018 Nikamwambia mabesti wangu, man, nafanya video. Simtakaa mkwe mavixen. Siku dance, rusheni tu mikono.
Hipo vinakuwa tu
bounce tu motwe.
Nod your head. Everybody nod your head.
Take dance, bounce tu motwe. Man, location ni thina. Giririkana tu na hall kanitha itu na ni empty.
Na song ni gospel.
Na ni gospel.
Kwa by default inakubalika.
Nikakimbia river hapana sikwenda river road, hiyo ni video next. Gira brother akwa nao first front tondũ nĩ mũndũ wa wiring na electrical. I had tubes. This is a color. Tani ndĩrenda mũno gwĩkĩra ati tubes thutha mũsanii sifurike. Ikale wega. Msanii aliona hivyo akasema
shaipenda. And how big was he your time?
Pia ni alikuwa coming.
Okay.
But ngoma ilikuwa kali. And I was like, I have to go all in. Nikaambia brother yangu mkubwa tokea. Akakam. Mabishti wangu wakakam. Walikuwa watatu. Sasa ndio walikuwa nyuma video wana dance nini. Tukashoot. Nikaeka I think ilikuwa cross. Msalaba nyuma na tubes. Sa background. Video ilikuwa kapoa bro. Sasa makosa ilikujia hapo.
Kuna makosa.
Bro, drash na camera itawa Canon. Did experience.
Usiniambie.
You drive the menu at the Corolla space ya tigara sigana. Ge format card da komenya. Guy.
Wa?
Ushaizwetaga bro. Video yako ya mbere ge format card. Ni donira formatting. Di dona the yarugama uguo.
Nani murude tu murude tayero ya mwana makiria.
Msanii akona hope na mimi. You try na Mark. Mark tumetoana naye mbali. Mark tukirora no. Bro medu. Girora msanii. Anya kedora. Yuga Egate. Giririkana no recover footage na software. Tuende tumalizie kwa msitu hapo Manguo. Nitalikawa. Tuende tugithie
mutigo shoot kanini ka just in case they go agree.
You tadwa panic. Dugisi na mambo kama. You have time ni tugeshoot tukirekia. Gisaria best yako tawo Mange Kabera.
I know the guy. Nyatuhura bishede atokorogo 115. Shout out to you my brother.
Man, Mange Kabera. Akijira
and shout out to the whole crew ya 115.
Akina Faisana kuja kwa
K-Rob,
episode.
Mgenge. Man.
Giza.
Solo.
Philabonic.
Dark
Prophets.
Gina Dark Prophets mako bado.
Walikuwa tu hapo kwa crowd. Anyway,
DJ Kuche.
Mange Kabera kijira tariri. Haya na sote takwa Wondershare Filmora. Unaweza recover but not 100%. Akaninstolia. Yudari ugai mwelani hii siku ndio video yangu kwanza nimefuck up. Tukarecover lakini haikurecover kila kitu.
But zile major ni yale hete.
Ikabidi manap nikambia msanii man to reshoot video ino regi. But nitaketa kila kitu. Akasema sawa. Iwega arere kureshoot you to reshoot with fresh ideas, better lighting, better people.
They are improv no ruwe na ka
exactly. Na this time round ndai na camera ige ilale Lumix ndai Tony Steph on the beat man. Shukran sana. Akina camera na shoot 4K. Tukishoot regi but better ideas. Na tukiheo space tao to shoot na white screen. Tado idea ya dreada. Video kiumawega ikiya 5,000 views na githa kwa NTV.
That's
NTV.
MTV.
Crossover gospel show. Kwa deri na mami mam. Ukaona video yako eti.
Augre my son have made it.
Bisa ningomuonya. Nideme nilieka Facebook 2018.
That is incredible.
Yes, my first video. Na msanii akafurahia na akanipatia video nyingine before sa corona ingie.
And so far I think
shout out to you Duffy Jacks, bado siongea.
Hari wira okay, hari maundu obvious andu mangi Google na mone. With our first whatever to take a lot of time. No nyende hari wira urutete andu ingi matoya ati wi hau theini. Like I understand. Acha ni wapatie spoiler. Ni ukoretwo behind the scenes ama ni ukoretwo among the crew ya kuruta wira Calligraph. Ndikwenda kumahe andu ingi tondu ucio niguo wira waku.
Ndari thutha wa camera rwimbo rwitagwo Wavy na Sakodi.
Thank you.
Man, ndarikania ndio yari mathaa ma corona. My first time corona Calligraph set. The best hip hop artist in Africa.
Man,
he's so humble.
Despite
his man,
compared to hapa
na nini the skinny Slim Shady man.
Slim Shady
man, Calligraph dry na mwite dry kana utukosio tugishoot. Director etagwo
ngoma ni ya kitambo. Bethe ni menu tisauna ka punctuation. Ukona tena na leo.
No ndiralan koriwe. You director wa video etagwo Ricky Beko ari his personal videographer. Akijata riri na shoot video usiku. You deriro impromptu gimaka ni daona Sunday. Ate we free uka. Shoot ya lira gina na saro sini. Tado yari the whole night. Monday no kire demu kenu. Ati nimekuwa na Calligraph, mtu nimekuwa nikiadmire. Mundu direda kukurutira video also. Tumana ke the whole night gina tukaria kae namba. Diramura direda kuruta na video. No.
Eto dona lu. Ndio mwe hau.
Tadajo we.
Actually
na video kiuma.
The very fact that nimekora hadu ta haure. Ni uguthago ni kaundu ka mind yaku negeragia ko remind. The struggle like kumbuka sijui nini isiku ishaiota
mika kuna kitu ngona ni memory diriga na gira ona garika na
ina come back to you
garika gishoot thimo na thimo ya mathi
like almost to shed a tear
gaho ya mundu kamera akahoria thimo
kana usinura
man man diriga na gira kore nyumite na korea ndirathi no ni ndeciagia gwika video imwe ni uguo yu ni mathimu kuhurirwo
ona ithu tukingira studio ria mbere weciragia ingoma ikitoka hapa bro nenda Capital nenda Homeboys nenda
niko ni ndenda
hata wengine unadhani wao ndo atakupigia simu
ni ndira kuona wira kwa channel MTV Chris Brown is calling
then reality
bado a call
afanya ile
apigi simu
haizi kupigia juu hata ajui una exist
ajoe lakini hata nijue
makinya kahora
that's my end. I have to work with him one day.
Yeah, of course.
That's my epitome of success. You got the Chris Brown video.
Wow.
When your dream is too big and you are afraid to achieve them, yes, that's the one.
And I quote plan. If your dream doesn't scare you.
Exactly, yes.
So
dream
plus
big,
the bigger the what?
The bigger the dream.
The bigger the sacrifice.
Oh, yeah. The greater the
bigger the bigger the dream, risk. The greater the sacrifice or risk.
Yes.
Because there's a lot go put. Plus there's a lot also to lose.
Niko na Roibo one song. Roibo. Hey.
Roibo
verse ya kunyendete muno.
Yakwa? Okay.
Una nyimbo nyingi muno nyendete no kuna rumwe jigwaga wa
Ketoroigwe. Ladies and gentlemen,
spare me on the call.
I give you AJ
Wakafa. ndingĩhota kuga ma rũrũrũrũrĩrĩ tauga ugusema
rũrĩmĩ rũrĩmĩ nĩ rũnene
kuna place urogire tongue twister ya rũrũrũrũrĩrĩ
ĩyo ti rũrĩmĩ ĩyo nĩ Demwa 3 rũthiaga atĩrĩrĩ Ngai arora rũrũrũrĩrĩ rũrarara rwĩrũriri rũrarora rwĩroreire rũrarĩra ririri rwĩrĩre rũrirũrĩriri
ũyũ jamaa arogire ũguo ngemi ndĩrarora reaction ya andũ ndĩrona mũndũ ũguo
ni kitambo it was ngemi point
2.0
yeah Negatho man ndo awite.
Thank you man.
To have like a moment kidogo ku hang out. Ndacokie ngatho nyingĩ tondũ ona mwĩroreri nĩ etikira gũtwĩrorera until this very minute.
Yes.
So yeah, episode 1 ya Demwa Deme. Yes.
Right.
Nĩ atĩ ũbangĩte wiki ĩno? Wĩra unajua msanii nĩ tũtũrĩ moragia atĩrĩrĩ nĩ kũrathiĩ next day andũ moke makuone rũerĩ nĩ rũrĩkũ ũraruta nĩgetha no tũtege YouTube kana TV-inĩ kana like kana nĩ confidential tondũ ningĩ artist ũrĩa ũraruta wĩra nake
ndambia kũgĩa mawĩra ma corporates to wĩra ngwambia kwĩkĩra YouTube-inĩ yakwa nĩguo outsource more clients nĩguo mone ndĩreka corporate jobs tondũ nĩ ndĩrorio mũno kana nĩ njĩka corporate videos cia conference such stuff koguo nĩ ndĩrenda kwĩkĩra YouTube na behind the scenes
na by the way nĩ learn videography more on complex machines. So unajua mi vlog no ndomagira less complicated videos kiria camera no ru nĩ ndenda kũran ici nene nĩgetha ũhe wĩra ũrĩa ngũhea wĩra rĩ na we ũhe wĩra wa gũthiĩ wa vlog your behind the scenes.
All right.
Nĩgetha ũrĩa tũkuga you need to inspire people on with what you do.
Yes. True man.
Awesome. Tukiuma no tono ale mone kukuina rwa tongue twister Demwa 3. Tupatie moja ya Kenya. Lyrics zenye unapenda.
Ni defano wa Juliani muno.
All right. Toine tukiuma
mta mentality
Demwa Deme episode 1 subscribe, share, comment, do whatever. One mwagotago nĩ kũigĩra no like no twende kũmenya ũngĩenda kuona kĩgĩthiĩ na mbere harĩ podcast ĩno tutirenda ĩkorwo like the kawaida podcast acha ikue tu kitu tofauti no tumuheage behind the scenes bado cia kana behind the scenes cia show iria ira come up like whether ni play ama ni show case yenye ni performance nini festivals or sort of things. So nĩ ngatho mũno next week nĩ tũgakorwo na tip ja nĩgetha mũtũteithĩrĩrie gũcokia mahĩa ma 1 or 2 equipments 1 2 nĩgetha tũhote gũbacĩrĩra maũndũ maya nĩgetha maingĩranĩre na njĩra ĩrĩa yagĩrĩire. Ngatho nyingĩ as AJ agĩtũhe ũprefaga AJ kana video guru?
AJ.
All right.
AJ video guru ni o video but AJ is good.
AJ is good. Kitunengereria ka Julian kamwe tugithie
story mtaa kuvivika
na Manzika Vivika Fox chairman ka Dr. Nauman
taka BMW
Azania BMX man zingine
zote
ku get busy
bro itabidi jo
stretch mikono kwenda pocket your stranger
tutabadilishana nani kasi
si ay